guys, right now we are driving the all new Porsche Panamera. This is the third generation of the Panamera, and as we have talked earlier, this car packs in a 2.9 liter turbocharged V6 which pumps out 348 horsepower and 500 Newton meters of torque and sprints from 0 to 100 in around 4.5 seconds. And this car has adequate ground clearance, so you don't have to worry about hitting the speed breakers as well. And it has a suspension lift, of course, and you also get a more powerful variant of the Panamera, which is the Panamera GTS, which has a V8, of course, that pushes around 500 horsepower. But abroad you get the Panamera Turbo S E Hybrid, which pumps out 771 horsepower. That car isn't available in India, I guess because of the higher taxation, but nonetheless GTS is more than enough for Indian roads. But coming back, this car handles very well. Like, of course it's a Porsche, right? So it does handle well, and this being a sedan, it is basically a 911 but extended. This Panamera is definitely like that. It has that Porsche character as well. It's low, it has the impressive and extraordinary ride handling. The steering is hard, it gives perfect feedback, and also even when cornering you don't feel anything, like the car goes flat. You put your foot, the car raises. Let's take a quick right turn here. So this car is 5.1 meters in length, and this car is a great alternative to the 7 Series as well as the S-Class. So you have mainly 3 driving modes, which is the normal, sport and sport plus. The steering response and the throttle response is crazy. There is not too much of a turbo lag either, so it's well contained. And of course the Tiptronic transmission, it does wonders. So the starting price is around 1.8 CR ex-showroom, and it goes up to how Porsche has endless customization options, so the final price definitely depends on what your taste is. And yeah, crazy car, love it. And also after the India-Europe FTA comes into action, this car will become cheaper by, I'm hoping, at least 40 lakh rupees. So you can get it on road for under 2 CR hopefully, which is gonna kill it for sure. Crazy. Yeah, even the 911 will become cheaper, the Cayenne as well, the IC models. Even without the factory sport exhaust. So this is completely the base exhaust. It doesn't feel like it's a huge car and you have to worry about driving it every time. It just feels like a regular car. I'm telling in terms of like difficulty of driving this. It's great. And I'm happy there are buttons on the steering wheel instead of those stupid touch controls. You get reactions everywhere, man. take some quick photos here.